Alright, today I got a 2006 Nissan Murano with a 3.5, and we're going to be changing both of the cam sensors, which, I don't think I can see them yet. They're located down in here. One is right here, and there's another one. It's probably not going to be really clear here. Right here, where this green connector is. It's directly behind this diaphragm right here. But first thing I'm going to do is pull this engine cover off of here, and I'll probably get this air box and stuff out of the way. So I will be right back. Okay, what I did was take this section here of the air box out. We're going to get all this out the way. Back here, we'll take your flat blade screwdriver, take your air tube off, and then you're going to have one clamp right here. This holds here, and this will pull right off of this pipe. And it should be everything. And we'll get that out of our way. Okay, back here, you can see the rear cam sensor right here with this green connector, and our front cam sensor is right here, this green connector. So we're going to be changing both of those out. Looks like those are 10mm bolts. Get those disconnected and pop in our new parts. I'll be back. Okay, before I went any further, I wanted to show how to get these clips out of here so that you don't destroy the clip in the process. Sorry, I'm trying to get enough light down in here. We can really see it real good. You can see at the bottom here, right there, you want to push this down. That should release it. And your connector comes right off. Same thing with the one up here. We'll be able to put this in the shot. Give it a shot. You want to push down, pull up at the same time, and off she comes. Alright, looks like the only way we're going to get this out of here is to use a wrench. Can't quite get a 10mm 1/4 inch socket in there, and I don't have a swivel on the socket. No big deal. Unless we drop this bolt, then we got problems. Oh yeah, that's tight. Bolt don't fall. Alright, bolt is out. Look like we don't have any left today. Looks like somebody's been in here before and put some sealer on here. Okay, let me see what I can do with this. I'll be back. Alright, so after doing a little prying and wiggling and hitting this with WD-40, finally got it to get ready to come out of there. Alright, let's see. Somebody's definitely been up in here before. See all that blue silicone. That shouldn't be there. And let me get a better shot. Okay, where it goes in, it's right there. Open that hole. So let me get all of this cleaned up, a little brake cleaner, and make sure our surfaces are good. And get a new one out, we'll pop that in. Alright, here's our new part here from AutoZone. Now, there are two different cam sensors for this engine. This one we're getting ready to put in is the left. And it looks like what I just took out. Right, made a little bit differently. You can see this one is not the same as this one. I don't know if that's showing up. This one has the angle plug. This is the one that we're putting in now. Alright, we're going to see if we can get this back in here. Bam, right on the end. Get our bolt back in there. Hopefully without dropping it into oblivion. Oh yeah, this will be a fun time. Keep in mind, these are plastic parts. You don't need to gorilla torque it. Snug it up. It's not going anywhere. Put our connector back on. That's the plan. Push this connector back up. Sometimes these will stick. You have to push this back up in order for it to lock. Maybe all gummed up. I may have to clean it out, but let's see if it'll go back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that out. I'll be back. Alright, now got our front one in, connected back. Now we're going to turn our attention to this rear one. And it looks like I'm probably going to be able to use a 10mm socket, 1/4 inch drive. Swivel and 6-inch extension. Maybe a little bit more. See if we can crack this loose without destroying my phone in the process. Now I'm going to drop that. So we'll go ahead and take it out by hand the rest of the way if we can. There it is. So now I'm going to do this one just like I did the front one. Just try and pry it a little bit and jiggle it loose. Just want to bust the seal that it has attached into the head. I don't want to break it off, but what I like to do is kind of wiggle it, get it to moving a little bit, and then spray some WD-40 or some kind of penetrating oil down while I got it pried open a little bit. Let that go in there, make it a little slippery. I don't know how well this is coming out. Again, this is your sensor right here. Well, let me try and get this out of here. Alright, I've managed to break this thing loose. See if I can get this camera in here. There's our rear one. There's the port that it goes in. So I'm going to clean that one up just like I did the front one. Yeah, get our new sensor in there. Alright, got that sensor in there. Go ahead and stuck our bolt in. Got it started. I'm just going to do this one just like we took it apart. Tighten it up. Again, no need to gorilla torque it. This is a plastic part as well. Definitely want to snug it up. Good right there. And we'll do the same with our connector back here. Let's try to work this camera and do this with the other hand. Looks like I'm going to have to do the same thing with this connector because it's not locking. I'll have to clean all of the gunk out of there because this spring loaded and it's not returning to where it's supposed to be. So I can move it manually. I did have it moving. We'll get it freed up. Alright, got our rear one in. Got our connector back on there. The front one. And the only thing left to do is put our air cleaner assembly back on there, our air box, and our vent hose here. So I'll take care of that. If this helps you out in any way, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I'll be having some more. Sorry I haven't put up one in a week or two. I've been kind of sick. I'm back in action. So I will see you on the next one.